Good morning. We're here today at Frank's Pontiac Parts, and we have here a 1969 Pontiac GTO body shell. Now, this body shell isn't perfect. It's got actually a lot of issues, but it has a lot of good parts too, and let me show you those. So the cowl has got a dent in the top here. This car was more than likely in an accident years ago. But it is good for parts. You could part out the shell and save you a lot of money buying individual pieces. The mounts for the cowl to frame are really good. The dash area is actually pretty good, but we found that it's got a hole right here. Now, the right-hand cowl section is nice. And good door jamb section. It's not rotted out. The car was hit in the back, so that's bad. Roof's not so good. It's got lots of pitting and whatnot in it. The upper deck panel is nice, including the inner panel, which they don't make, of course. Tail panel, not so bad. It is hit on the left, but it could be fixed. Could be knocked out, not too bad. The actual left-hand quarter panel is actually pretty darn nice. It's not rusty. Looks really, really good. The trunk floor, it's pretty good. It's nice, except for one hole right there. And all the cross members underneath the car are in good shape. Now this car has got a rusty floor, and a lot of people be like, well, gee, this car must be from the East Coast. No, this is from California. And by the way, the jambs are good. This what you see here is not, those aren't holes. That's just where the paint's missing. This is a little pitted right here. But no, what had happened was this car sat with one window missing on the side and the door missing on the other side. So because of that, it ended up getting water in it and got some rust in the floors. But all the bracketry for the bucket seats, all that stuff's there. You know, the inside of the cowl area is all good. A lot of good parts. So for what we're asking on our website, this is actually really a good parts car. Or, you know, if you've got a Le Mans or a Tempest that you made into a GTO, and it's just actually not a 242 car and makes it not worth anything, this is something you could do too. You could put all your parts on a body like this and now have a GTO, a real one. So anyway, here you go, 1969 Pontiac GTO body shell at Frank's Pontiac Parts.